Good morning, dear learners. Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to start lesson number 20 from Unit 10, The Ant and the Grasshopper. This is basically a moral story, so you will also get a lesson at the end. Open page number 167 from your textbook and let us begin the reading. Once there lived a lazy grasshopper. He didn't like to work. All day long he sang songs and played in the warm sunshine. Next paragraph. He, look at me. I am as happy as can be. The grasshopper laughed at the hard-working ants as they worked day and night. Third paragraph. We are storing grain for the long winter ahead, they replied. The lazy grasshopper only laughed louder. Summer ended and the cold winter arrived. The wind blew strong and it started snowing. Let us understand up to here. So, students, this is the story about two friends, Grasshopper and the ant. You all might have seen grasshopper in your gardens and ants also. Grasshopper is an insect green in color and it has a habit of hopping all over the grasses. So in this story also the grasshopper was the lazy one. He never used to work. He always used to waste his time sleeping and singing and dancing in the warm sunshine. Whereas his friends, the ants, were very hardworking. They used to collect food always and store it for the winters. One day, the grasshopper was singing and playing, and the ants were working. So it laughed at the ants and said, "What are you doing?" The ants said that we are collecting food for winters coming. Soon summer season was over and cold winters came. The wind blew strong. That means the cold wind was blowing and it started snowing also. Can you see this picture? Here, not even a single green leaf is there. See what happens next. Grasshopper now began to worry. There is no food to eat, no grasses, no flowers or leaves. I can't see even the tiniest fly or worm. What will I do? I will surely starve, he cried. Let me meet my kind neighbor, the ant. So, students, soon the winter season came and this grasshopper was not having anything to eat. He never stored and now he is worrying about what he will eat. So, he decided to go to his neighbor and ask for help. See the next paragraph. The grasshopper remembered how the hard-working ant had stored away grain for the winter. He knocked at her door. Dear ant, I am hungry and cold. I have nothing to eat. Please, can you give me some food? So, students, here the grasshopper remembered how the ants were collecting grains. Grains means rice or wheat seeds. So, he called them by knocking at their door and he told that he is hungry and having cold and he is also not having anything to eat. See the last paragraph. The ant shook in anger. Lazy one, what were you doing all summer? You were only singing and dancing. You should have thought of the cold winter months ahead. Go away. She slammed her door shut. The lazy grasshopper was left as hungry as before. So, when the grasshopper asked for food or help, the ant shook in anger. That means the ant was very angry on this lazy grasshopper. She told that you were only singing and dancing. You should have thought of this cold winter and collected some food. But no, you were laughing. So she slammed her door. Slammed means shutting something very loudly. So she closed the door at this grasshopper and not given any food. So the grasshopper was as hungry as before. So we all have learned a lesson that we should not waste our time, rather, we should utilize it in doing something good. So, students, read this story from your textbook and complete the exercise given in page number 169, 170, and 173 by yourself. Do it in your textbook. We will meet soon in our next class. Goodbye.